If you're a female who always has to hold your phone instead of keeping it in your small handbag or clutch, especially when you're wearing a pocketless dress or a pair of jeans without deep pockets, you can definitely relate when the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 is available. Without further ado, let's check out how us ladies will fall in love with the new foldable. It comes in a simple black box with two different shades of black as well as a capital Z logo, which simply implies what you'll get inside. Opening the box, you'll get the gorgeous phone, a box of paperwork, and a USB-C to USB-C cable, along with a SIM ejector tucked on the other side of the box. And since this is a flagship phone, Samsung is not giving you the charging unit, so you can buy it separately if you're really in need of a new one. As for the hinge, it is built using the Armor aluminium to give it extra strength and durability. The unit that we have here today is the cream model with a smooth and glossy finish back. On the top, there's a 1.9-inch cover display with a double rear camera set up next to it. This cover display is so much bigger than its predecessor, so you don't even have to flip open the phone if you need to take a quick look at some notifications, weather, time, or play music. You'll see the SIM tray on the left while the volume rocker and power button are located on the right. And there's a fingerprint scanner built in the power button. At the bottom, we have the USB-C charging port along with a stereo speaker setup. Sadly, this one doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can only opt with wireless earbuds instead. Protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, the cover screen features a 1.9-inch Super AMOLED display with a 260x512 resolution, which can give you a bigger preview of your selfies, a bunch of helpful widgets, and up to 4 lines of notifications. To take selfies from the cover screen, all you need to do is simply press the power button twice to turn on the camera, and press either volume button to snap your picture. You can choose to either use the selfie camera or the main camera to snap your selfies on this model. Swipe right and you can check all your notifications. You can even choose to read an entire notification on the screen before you decide to reply to a message or leave it on scene. But leaving people on scene is not cool, okay? At least don't see me lah. You'll get all the widgets available if you swipe left. There are 7 of them and you can add all onto the cover screen if you like. If you want to adjust the screen's brightness and phone's volume, swipe down. And if you're using Samsung Pay, you just need to swipe up to make your payments. Here's the bonus. The main screen of the cover display can also be customized from a range of styles available, which you can choose in the settings. If you're up for some fun, you can also add your own background image. The main display features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which means you'll get vibrant colors and buttery smooth scrolling experience on this phone. So, what makes this phone special and different from the one you're holding? You can use it to take photos or join video calls hands-free without the need of a tripod or anything similar. All you need to do is fold the phone at a certain angle and the phone can sit on itself. When you fold it like this, supported apps like the camera will automatically go into flex mode. In this case, the photo frame will appear on the upper half of the screen while the controls will be on the bottom half. You can also enable the flex mode feature for certain apps that don't officially support it, like Messenger. When activated, you'll see your messages appear on the upper half of the screen, whereas there's some controls on the lower half, including the quick panel, screenshot, brightness, and volume controls. Like I said just now, if you want to take some quick selfies, you can do it with the cover screen. But if you're used to how you usually take selfies, just flip open the phone. The rear camera setup will give you images with vivid colors and details under bright light. When it comes to dark night scenes, it faces some challenges as the image will lose some sharpness compared to daylight pictures. And since there isn't a telephoto camera on this model, you can only use the digital zoom if you want to capture subjects from far away. There are also some new camera modes that you can play around with, such as the director's view mode and single take mode. The Flip 3 has a Snapdragon 888 chipset along with 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage, so you can expect it to breeze through tasks like social media and website browsing. While it can handle any casual games, I'm surprised that it can handle Genshin Impact as well, although it's running at 30fps with medium settings. Inside, it houses a 3300 mAh battery, which supports 15W wired fast charging and 10W wireless charging. On normal use, it can last for 10 to 11 hours. That means you'll need to juice it up at the end of the day. As for heavy usage, it put up quite a tough fight with Genshin Impact with Wi-Fi connection for around 3.5 hours. Sadly, it has a pretty small battery capacity for a flagship phone. Still considering if you should get the Flip 3? Let me tell you. It comes with a 5G connectivity and IPX8 water resistance rating. So that means you can definitely use it while enjoying a higher internet speed. And you don't have to worry at all if your cat accidentally knocks over a cup of water on it. So, how have you liked the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G so far? With this phone, you don't have to worry 24/7 if your phone's gonna fall off the pocket at the back of your jeans or you left the phone somewhere else just because it's too big to fit in your bag. Let us know in the comments. My name is Summer from Salty News Network and I'll see you in the next one.